Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ivana Novenska Ramadhani. In this video, I will explain what narrative text. Do you know what narrative text? Definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a text that tells a series of events sequentially and are connected to one another. This type of text has an imaginative nature or an imaginary story that aims to entertain the reader. General narrative text presents a story with problems that can trigger conflict to attract reader interest. Then at the end, the writer will close it with a happy or sad ending. Then the social function of narrative text. The social function of narrative text is number 1, to entertain reader. Number 2, to introduce moral values. Number 3, to introduce culture. Next, I will explain narrative text structure. Narrative text has a structure that builds a story in narrative text. In general, the structure of this narrative text consists of 3 parts, namely orientation, complication, and resolution. The following is the structure of narrative text along with its completion. Number 1, orientation. Orientation is part of the introduction in narrative text. This section contains the time setting, place setting, and description of the character told in the writing. Number 2, complications. Complication is the second structure in narrative text which contains conflict, problem, or crisis in the story. The author usually describes one or more problems. The problem described can be in the form of major conflict or minor conflict. Number 3, resolution. Resolution is the final part of a narrative text which contains problem solving from the conflict that occurs in the complication section. This resolution becomes part of the story and can lead to a happy or sad ending. Okay, now are the language elements of narrative text. Number 1, past tense. Number 2, adverse of time. Number 3, time conjunction. Number 4, direct speech. Okay, next, types of narrative text. Narrative text has several types, namely, number 1, folklore. Folklore is a story handed down from ancestor become a traditional, but oral and semi-oral. In Indonesia, there are several well-known folk tales, one of which is Bawang Merah, Bawang Putih. Number 2, fables. Fables are stories about animals that seem to behave like human. One example is the story of Si Kancil and the crocodile. Fable is a type of narrative text that contains a lot of moral message. Number 3, myth. Myth in English is a story set in the past. In general, these myths tell stories about gods or heroes that contain interpreted eons of the origin of the universe. Number 4, legend. Legend is an example of narrative text in the form of incident folklore. Legend usually tell the origin or historical event or place. An example of a well-known legend is the story of Lake Toba and the story of Mount Takuban Perahu. Number 5, fairy tales. A fairy tale, or what is called a fairy tale in English, is a story that is usually read to children at bedtime. A fairy tale has the meaning of magical story that doesn't really happen or is just a fantasy. Number 6. Romance. Story romance. The next example of narrative text is a romance story, or what is called romance or love story in English. As the name implies, romance story are a type of narrative text that focus on love stories. For example, of romance story that are quite famous in the world are the story of Romeo and Juliet and the story of Layla Majnun. Number 7. Mystery stories. Mystery stories is a type of narrative text in the form of mystery stories or stories that are not known for certain. Number 8. Horror stories. Horror stories are a type of narrative text which contains scary stories about ghosts and other invisible creatures. Number 9. Adventure stories. Adventure stories, or in English are called adventure stories, is a type of narrative text that contains stories about interesting and challenging adventures. One example of an adventure story is Sinbad and Alibaba. Number 10. Historical stories. The next step of narrative text is historical narrative. These historical stories usually contains stories or facts about past events that have historical value. One example of the type of narrative text, historical review, which is quite well known in Indonesia, is the Diponegoro War. Well, this is one example of narrative text. Well, this is the explanation of narrative text. I have two questions for all of you. Number 1, what is narrative text and what are the structures of narrative text? Number 2, give one example of narrative text. Okay guys, you can answer in the comments column. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will be useful for you. I end. It's wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah guys.